Okay guys, I have the beacon and the joystick here. So if you use one part of the joystick, it turns it into a gyro controller. So I can actually use the gyro on this to control the flow of the drone. This is a really neat option too. So it allows me to use a one-handed remote for my drone. So all I have to do is just fly it up. I'm just going to start recording. And let's do a flight up.
Manual control.
So I'll do the 360 on here. So this allows me to go up and down. Okay. And if I press the back button on here, it will actually go forward. I can control it with the remote control. So if I press the button and I go forward, and it actually goes forward. And sideways, and then go up. You can turn around. And I can remote control this and go forward and go backwards. It's pretty wild. So I can switch this around. Get it in front of me here. Hold on. And it's just right in front of me. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys see it? I'll go down a little bit lower. And go forward, and it's coming right at me. This is pretty cool. And the other part is modular, this controller. So it's actually not a piece that folds in or clicks in magnetically. And you can fold it down and it becomes like a traditional drone controller. This beacon, I was waiting for this to kind of get better and better with the firmware update. Because when it first came out, it had a lot of problems. And with, I think it probably had maybe, I would say 6 or 7 firmware since they released this. And it's just getting better and better. And we're at the point where it's a solid performer with this beacon remote. So I'm gonna go up, turn around, come back, and it's just freaking awesome. So I'm gonna be taking this with me traveling all the time with the beacon controller. Yep. I just hit a tree. There goes. This is pretty wild, man. And if I just take this and press it and go forward, this goes forward, and if I press it and go backward, this goes backwards. So it's pretty wild that this can do this. All right, we are using the beacon by HoverAir with the follow mode, and this thing is pretty wild. I can actually use the beacon to follow me, and it can actually just track me on the screen here. Pretty wild. So I can actually move this sideways if I wanted to. Go back. And it can actually follow me up. So now I can change a follow me pattern. So I can remote control. It's called co-piloting, which is a new feature that added. This is such a wild feature that allows me to control the preset modes of the drone, and it's just gonna keep following me and turn around and eye me all the time. This is pretty wild. Down. I'm gonna go sideways and go around. And the nice thing about the co-pilot or the beacon is it also has a mic that's a lot better than the one that's on the phone. Because the one on the phone is shitty. Or it's crappy when it's recording. It cuts in and out and it's just distorted. But yeah, this is really cool. Anyways, and this one, come down.